你好，问姐就好，欢迎今晚的 Silent News。我们国所列兵有人轻松过。From a country with a history of ancient culture, dynasties, and civilizations that have been around the world for centuries now, China finds itself against the rest of the world at this moment. Wuhan, a city from which the coronavirus originated from, has been called to the principal's office a number of times. Women Zhengxi Sheng Jianglia Guanguozia. Women Zhengxi Bachiu Shizui Nazomi Nazi Chui DC. Yu Zhong Zhao Tole the Nin Welchen Bu Chongwa MCU. Mi Zhui Chelidi the Shenming. Sine the Gashang Yu Hilele. Bang Boy Sina de Yu Sang No Dia. Yu Bang Luzia. Nin Dul Woman the Tilo Jili. Woman Jinjong Bingdu Blingsha Sili Nim Justice First Night Cut. Ayo! Tonight on the channel we have a special analyst who has been observing the Chinese for a while. Other than her booming YouTube career, she has now something important to convey. Take it away, Ria Gogoi!
Are we rolling? Oh, okay. Okay. Whenever there's a disaster that takes place in this world, we always tend to look for someone to hold accountable. Just like how we hold our exes accountable for everything that went wrong in the relationship. खुद की गलती तो दिखती है नहीं कभी.
Yes, Rohan, I'm talking to you.
Question arises, should China be held responsible for everything that went wrong? Well, China is kind of legally responsible for everything that went down the drain. For example, China has violated 3 laws along with the international health regulations. And you must be thinking, ये Chinese होके China को क्यों बदनाम कर रही है? Huh? Well, I'm here to prove you that Kunal Kamra is not the only comedian who is anti-national on the internet. Now I know you guys are too lazy to fact check these things. That's why I'm here to give you some simple and easy explanation. China didn't share all the information with other nations, including the fact that coronavirus gets transmitted from person to person quite easily. And that's why now we're in a pandemic, quarantined in our houses. I'm filming this segment from my room, which I hate. So basically China did what Amitabh Bachchan could not do in the movie Pico. Tatti. China ne tatti kar di. Now my rant aside, I think it's completely idiotic to blame a singular country for everything that went wrong. Look at India as a matter of fact. India was under a lockdown when the cases were not too many. But ever since the cases have risen, the Indian government decided to lift the lockdown. At this point, I feel like making a Bastan not wear white is easier than stopping the coronavirus from spreading. There's another Donald Trumpish notion going around that the world will stop conducting trade with China. Well, can you believe that? No Chinese products. No Ria Gogoi. Well, it takes more than one orange man to ban me.
Bitch.
This means no Chinese goods, no Chinese services, no Chinese products, baby. This also means that some of us will really have to reconsider from where we get our news and our news sources, because WhatsApp messages, let's be real, they're as real as Shilpa Shetty Kundra's nose. Now, China owns a ridiculous share of $4.6 trillion in the global trade across the goods and services industry. So think before you share those banned Chinese products as WhatsApp forward messages. Because if you do, then unlike Ananya Pandey, the struggle is going to be real, my friend. Are we done now? Okay. रोहन से बात कराओ यार, मेरे को बात करनी है उससे.
Now yes, India along with the world is on this path of the anti-China movement or ban Chinese products. The world has just about had enough of China as of now. First, they take over the world by multiplying and become the highest population in the world. Second, they dominate by becoming massive manufacturers of each and every product that we know about. Seriously, look up Alibaba and you'll know what I'm talking about. Third, the whole language barrier, which freaks each and every white man's soul. Fourth, Kung Fu. Fifth, we know how intelligent these guys are. And sixth, the coronavirus. Everybody is pissed off. Now, let's talk about India and China. A lot of things are happening on the border. We'll talk about that a bit later. China has already invested in 5 industries within India: automobile, power, construction, services, and metals. Now, you may be thinking, so what? Just take China out of it, out of the picture. We'll handle it. Now, before I move on to that point, let's just check out the list of Chinese companies which we know of. That include Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Lenovo, Motorola, Huawei, OnePlus, Haier, Coolpad, TCL, and Mizu. Vivo, if you forgot, sponsors the IPL. Then I looked at the bottom right corner of some of the news channels, and happened to be these news channels are sponsored by Chinese companies. Vivo sponsors Republic TV. Vivo sponsors ABP News. Haier sponsors News 18. Haier sponsors India Today. Now see, I'll keep this short and simple. Firstly, why did China have to do what it's doing at the borders? Or why is our country involved in such a situation where our troops are getting killed for nothing? Doesn't India right now have too much on its plate? I mean, we're not even able to control our own coronavirus cases, but yeah, we have this certain so-called problem with China. I resonate with that. Even I would be angry. Okay, fine. Let's ban China. From tomorrow, let's not use any more Chinese products. But see, we don't have local manufacturers who are doing the same thing at par with those Chinese companies. Do we have an Indian Oppo or a OnePlus or a Vivo or any of these Chinese companies? No, we don't. So the best way to go about it is by supporting India in the Make in India movement. Make in India movement is basically make things in India. How is it that difficult to understand? The moment we're able to make products which are at par with the world standards, or as of now, these Chinese so-called companies, Chinese companies in India would automatically be replaced. But right now, we can't ban it because we don't have replacements. Startups should be supported. Fundings should be available to newer companies and startups, which also the government of India is providing. Go on Google, go check it out. China has been working their ass off to make their nation what it is right now. Even before the coronavirus, we were on that path, but right now we are a bit deflected. So yes, I would say support the Make in India movement. Stop worrying about China. You as a citizen should be focused, and if you want to support your country, get up, make a change, be the next Oppo, be the next OnePlus. So yes guys, this was me, Shubham, aka Silent Stuff. I hoped you liked this video. It was a very serious topic. For the past 2 weeks, on each and every video, I'm saying that we're going through a tough time. Yeah, we are. And there's no hiding that fact at all. But yeah, see you on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday with another video. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And a round of applause for Ria Gogoi. You should definitely check her channel out. She's definitely going to make it big on YouTube. And yeah, till then, it's me, Shubham.